Hi everyone, this is my first vlog. I am Satyam Kumar, currently studying in first year in SRMAP, pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering, and today I am taking you on a small tour of SRM University EP. I'll be showing you some of my favorite places on campus, the playground, the SR block, the flag area, and many more spots where students spend their time. I am really excited to share how the campus looks and what the environment feels here. So let's start the tour and explore the campus together. So here we are at gate number 3, just behind gate number 3. From there you can pick your parcels from Amazon, Flipkart and Myntra. This is Homije Baba blog and this is Vikram Sarabhai blog. And together they both are called academic blog. Here most of our classes is held here. So behind Vikram Sarabhai block, here is basketball ground and girls hostel and girls hostel mess. That is Annapurna mess. This is basketball ground. This is the tree court area where we sit and chill. After the tree court area, here I am at the girls hostel area. That's the Narmada. Here's Krishna building, and here the Godavari, and just behind the Godavari, there's Kaveri, and that building just behind. Oh no, it's Yamuna, and in Godavari, here is a medical facility and the health center. And in the Kaveri, there's a Indian Post where we can post our parcels. And this is the girls' mess called Annapurna mess. After the academic block, this is the JC block or called research block. Behind, just behind the JC Bose block, there's the X block. I'll show you from the front. After that, here's our boys hostel, Vedavati hostel. It's of 15th floor. In front of Vedavati Boys Hostel, here's a artificial fountain. Alright guys, here I am at playground area. This place is really big and have every sport you can think of. I'll show you everything one by one. This side is the cricket ground. Right next to it are the practice nets where player trains. If you move a little ahead, this is the football ground. It's really big and clean. This is the racing track. Over here we have the volleyball court, and right beside the volleyball court there's the tennis court. Here's the tennis court. All the areas are well maintained and people come here every day to play. So this is the sports area, really nice and full of energy. Now I am at the food court area, one of the most active places on campus. Here are so many food options here that students come here all the time. Right in the front, we have Total Fresh, a mini supermarket where you can buy snack, drinks, and daily essentials. Next to it, there's Baskin Robbins for ice cream and Chat and Chill for quick snacks. We also have Paradise Biryani, US Pizza, and Belgium waffles. So you can try different types of food. For example, for simple and tasty South Indian items, then here's for simple and tasty South Indian items. There's Hello Idli, and for pizza lover, here's Domino's. And now we also have Nescafe where students grab coffee, tea, and light snacks. Overall, this food court is a perfect place to eat, relax, and hang out with friends. Now I am in front of X Lab of one of the most active places on campus. A lot of important events and student activities happen here. Inside the building, there is a big auditorium where hackathon, workshops, and different events are organized. It's always busy and full of energy when something is going on. The X Lab also has the ITKM helpdesk where students come for any technical issue or support. Along with that, there are several labs where students work on project research, practical learning. Overall, X Lab is a creative, useful space for students to learn, build, explore new ideas. Now we are in front of Ganga Hostel, which is actually the tallest building in Vijayawada with 26 floors. This hostel is divided into two parts. Boys stay on the lower floors and girls stay on the upper floors of the building. The entire hostel has centralized AC, so the room and even the corridors stay cool all the time, which feels really good in the heat. There is also a night canteen here. Students come at night to grab snacks, tea, or just sit and relax after classes. It's a nice hangout spot and always lively. Overall, Ganga Hostel is very tall, very comfortable, and a great place for students to stay. I reached the SR block. This place is the most active spots during the day. And there are a lot of benches here during academic hours. All of the day scholars sit here to rest, eat food, have snack, just chill with. And here are the two cafes. One of them is called Tea Cafe, which is really popular. Right in the center, you will see the grand stair, and just below that, there is a mini theater where small events and activities happen. Now we are at the CV Raman block. This building is one of the main academic blocks on the campus and has a lot of important facilities. The best part of this block is the big library on the 12th floor. It's quite spacious and has a great view from the top. Students come here to study, read, and just focus in a peaceful place. Right now I am in the flag area. This place is in the middle of green garden and there are many small plants around it. The whole area looks fresh and peaceful. When you walk here, you can feel the calm atmosphere. It's a nice break from busy campus. There is a sitting spot around the flag where students sit, relax, talk, and or just enjoy the breeze. It's a clean and quiet place perfect for resting for a few minutes.